Hello everybody, welcome back to as well. We have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see private account followers on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first go ahead, access your Instagram account. Now go back to your home section, tap on this search icon and go ahead search a particular username. So let's say this person's profile, right? So this person's profile is actually public, so you can actually see the followers and the following. You can go ahead, tap on this followers, and you can see the people that follow this particular person, and you can tap on this following and see their followings as well, because this account is actually public. So that is it. Let's go ahead, search a particular private account. So let's say this is a particular private account, right? So if you want to go tap on this followers, you won't be able to see neither for the following, because a private account is generally to keep the information private. So unless you ask your friend a favor to be their friend, send them a friend request until follow request, when they allow you to follow, you can go ahead, check out their followers or the following like that. That is the only way. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.